experience subscriptions in your daily life as a consumer or as a professional. And actually, the shift is happening across every industry. The subscription market today is $650 billion, and it's growing at 18% year over year. So it's big and it's here to stay.
Our subscription bootcamp responds to a real need by managers, executives, and entrepreneurs. People ask, are subscriptions for our business? How do we succeed subscription offers? What do we need to know to design, build, and ramp up subscription offers? These questions, they concern a wide array of audiences in companies. As subscriptions touch on all the functions in a company, our bootcamp is made for senior executives, for entrepreneurs, for startups and big companies at the same time. Whether you are in marketing and sales, whether you are in innovation or R&D, whether you are in pricing, this bootcamp is made for you.
Our participants at the bootcamp, they do understand the opportunity, the why moving to subscription, but where they really need help is about the what and the where and the how to get started. And this is what we do. We share stories, we share best practices, we share benchmarks, so they have a concrete roadmap on how to be successful and how to bootstrap concretely their business.
In our workshop, we take a very unique perspective. We discuss theories and concepts. By working on your own subscription ideas throughout these 2.5 days, you get an opportunity to not only work on your project, but also gain insights from your peers and have a clear roadmap of how to take your idea from theory to practice.
The bootcamp is going to be very hands-on, it's going to be very pragmatic.
In sum, we are looking forward to welcoming you here on campus at INSEAD in Fontainebleau.